Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to full breakdown of my two trades that I took on NAS100. Okay, first one sale, second one also sale here. This is all. This got the SL. Okay, but I will show you how I took these two trades. Right. This is my funded account. If you didn't get any good prop firms, I will give you a link on my description. Make sure to join from there. It will be a free. You don't have to pay any evaluation account. You just pay the money and you will get your instant funding account. Okay, so let's get started. This is a 1 hour time frame. As you see, my all trades on New York session. Okay, here, right? So I didn't trade beyond or before or after New York. Okay, so let's get started. Why I took this sell trade, even though it's not my A plus setup. So I went to 5-minute time frame. I will show you why. As when the price open, okay, so it took the liquidity of London high, okay, and once it took, it close with momentum to the downside, right? That's inducing me that price will go to the downside. So what I do, I went to a 1-minute time frame and I saw something called ICT optimal trade entry. Okay, perfect touch on that area and give me the good results. I took the partials here and then just on these or these candles I -1 standard deviation I got the trade. Okay, so let's go to the second example. That one is more amazing and you will see how I go against my trend as well. Okay, on best area where I should buy but I sell it. Why is that? You will see how my A plus setup work. So here what happened, this candle on London is respected to this order block, right? So what happened, once these 8 a.m. candle closed below on this respected candle, I was in a 5-minute time frame and I see my favorite setup there, so I plan to sell the trade. Okay, so what happened here, as I can told you that as everyone know that if price go below and then go upside, it's become ICT 22 model, right? Liquidity sweep, market strategy shift, we have this fair value gap, right? But what happened, this all thing happen on not my kill zone hours, okay, on my trading hours, and it's not aligned with my PD, with my high time overflow, right? So what happened, I wait to price close, respect it first. As you see, price respect, okay, and then close below it, right? Once it's closed that, I am waiting of my 9:30 open. Once it's open, it's directly go to this my inversion fair value gap and give me a beautiful label, right? And I took first partial here on this inversion, because on my high time frame also I am looking for buy, but I didn't take the buy position. This I will also show you what is good setup look like also. Okay, so here first and the second on as you can see here, the two candles. First I sell two positions here. Okay, first I take partial on the first hour, second I on the second candle. So when price go upside, okay, and then come back, I will close my all positions on these candles. Okay, so what happened here also I will show you here, that price came on this block, right? Here price came, give reaction, and when price again came here, I am also watching this on the trade. I didn't took this trade, but I'm watching. But I will show you, it will help you to understand how price behave. And this setup as look like same on gold. Okay, so what happened on the previous video, you see I want to see a fair value gap, okay, or any PD ray that got respected first and then disrespected. So that area become my R block, or that area become my key level. Okay, so this become my inversion fair value gap, and price give me a beautiful reaction on that area. You can see here. Okay, I'm showing you this that you can also do this same thing over and over again, just following a simple step on a key area, key time, and a specific model. That's all. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it, share it, and join my Telegram channel, and join the best prop firm in the industry. Link in the description below. Until next time, be safe.